All right, people. We got another one. I hope you're all doing well out there, by the way. So in this box right here, we got a flexible mannequin hand for nails, training, nail arts, and all the good stuff. In the meantime, I'm going to leave few pictures on screen for you to read and appreciate what's inside the box, because what's inside the box, that's what we're here for, because I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm gonna do that. So in the meantime, if it's your first time out here, sub to the channel, turn on that bell, ding 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 ding, so you won't be missing out when we go live. Destroy the like button by dropping one of these. Share the video if it's any useful to you. It's free to share. I hope you know that. So ladies and gents, boys and girls, without further ado, let's get down to business. Skirt, 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 skirt. Let's do it and do it, people. I hope you have appreciate what I've just put in front of your face. This is pretty straightforward. We inside the box. What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. Let's open this thing up. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm pretty excited because I'm going to be comparing with the other mannequin hand.
Whoa, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me just give you a little cinematic, a little dramatic view of this quick. Guys, check this out. Check this out. I love the presentation. This look pretty dope. I hope you can appreciate that. So this is for your nail trainings and practicing. All right, let's carry on. Right, this is what the box looks like. Enough with the box. Let's open this thing up. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? That's what we're here for, people. Whoa. This is huge. Anything else in the box? Nothing else inside the box. So first look, what do you think?
Pretty nice.
Okay, this comes with a clamp that will hook to your table. You can fasten this to your table. Deformable spring. We got 100 small, large and small nails right here, which are replaceable. You can, they're replaceable, disposable. And the flexible hand right here. So let's unpack all this quickly and let's see what this thing looks like. That comes off easy. Woohoo! A little bit heavy, got a little weight to it. Pretty plasticky. I must tell you that right out of the box. And these are the nails. They're replaceable. You can buy more. So we got 100 small. So I'll say 200 small and large nail tips, by the way. So what's inside the box? What's inside the box? This is exactly what we got inside the box. All right, so I'm gonna tell you what I feel. Woo, okay, all right. This part is pretty rubbery, and this is more plasticky. You can hear it. All right, this is bendable. You can twist it, deform it. All right, this will be hooked to the table, which I'm gonna do in a minute. I'm gonna demonstrate that. And these are your nails. You can cut them. All right, this is for your design on the fingers. Let me just all right, the fingers are bendable, flexible, all right, which mimic the human hands. Pretty cool. Yep. You excited about this?
Yes.
Are you excited about this one, baby?
Yes.
We'll stand. I'm gonna fasten this to the table right now so you can see what it is about. I think that's done. Alright, just give me a second. So as I already showed you, this comes with 100 large and small nail tips. Okay, these are the hands, rubbery right at the tips here. These nails, sorry, you can take them out and clamp them, and you just push them back in there. Boom. What is that? You got something to say?
Yeah.
What is it? We can't hear you.
No need for comparing. I can already see that this mannequin's hand is better than the other one because it's flexible.
It's better than which one?
It's better than this one.
All right.
Because it's flexible. It has a stand.
Okay.
And this one, you can't make it stand. It always, when you want to do your nails, it always slips like this.
All right.
And it's kind of slippery.
Okay.
That's why I give this one 10 stars.
10 stars already.
And this one 5 stars.
Oh my god, this is a clash. Okay, you want to remove that so we can carry on the
Yes.
unboxing for the people. So yeah, I think that's a fair review. So you can take the nails as easily as this, push them back in as easy as that. So you can see how I'm just maneuvering this hand, because now it's clamped to the table. You can just move it around to your liking and do what you need to do without being without interruption, So these nails right here are all represented also here from 0 to 9. Okay, if you haven't checked the other video that Queen Sarah have done, we're gonna leave all the links right down below for you guys to to watch that. Okay, so yeah, this is the quick video, the quick unboxing about this hand. Okay, this hand is pretty dope. Okay, and it's pretty affordable. We got this from Amazon, by the way, in case I have not said that at the beginning of the video. We got it from Amazon. I'm gonna leave all the links right down below. So I hope this was helpful. All right, I hope this was helpful. That, by the way, that's the inside of the hand. Oh yeah, there's another thing, by the way, that I need to tell you. So you see this, if you want to work on individual hands, you can unscrew these. Okay, you can unscrew them, but personally we're gonna keep it as it is, because for now this is what we're gonna do. So you can unscrew them individually and work on each hand, in each fingers. Okay, so this is pretty dope, especially for the price and what it comes with the tips. It's pretty dope. So we will be coming with some nail styling, nail art, nail projects, tutorial, and so on and so forth. So make sure to keep yourself posted. Stay tuned for more. So I hope this was helpful. And if you got any question, just leave all your comments right down below in the comment section. We love you all here, and we love your support. So thanks for watching, guys. Keep it safe, keep it late as usual. Peace out. Let's do it, people. Peace. Shout out to you all there, and keep it safe, man.